Wow. These are amazing. The other day when I made this pair of country trousers, let's call them, I used one of my grandma's seam covering tapes that she had from her shop. My grandparents used to have a shop in which they sold everything, like from saucepans to toys to makeup, everything sewing related, and as well as sweeties that I remember. So I thought that I could use one of them because I always see them and I never use them really. So I thought it was a good opportunity and I think I'm going to keep using them. Well, these cotton tapes are used to cover seams and to, you can make a garment a bit nicer, you can add something special. I remember I think my grandma used to say that people used to get them for bed covers or bed sheets, so they had something nice and they're really nice. It's true that they look a bit yellowish because of the time. I mean, my grandma closed the shop, I was 6 years old, so imagine. But they are 100% cotton, so they are okay, they are not breaking or anything. And it's funny because in these ones it says, in Spanish of course, that they guarantee that the colors won't fade with bleach or any other kind of washing by hand or by the washing machine. So it's quite good, isn't it? So I think it's a good opportunity. I'll be washing them before using them. I have to think of the project and have a look and choose the one I want, but I think they're amazing. Well, they're giving me quite a bit of allergy. They are quite old. I was telling you that they closed the shop when I was 6 years old, so I remember it, but I don't remember it that well, if you know what I mean. But everything that was left over from the shop remained kept at home, and one day after having the channel, I decided to bring it all up and keep it, because I thought I could use it. I haven't used this. I have used the sort of lacy ones that are really nice. I made my cousin a dress and I added some of those, and it was quite nice, so she can have the memory of our grandma's shop. So it was quite good. I have to use this. And this little paper just fell from the box, and it is from the factory Fabric Coats. And it tells you that if the shopping you're going to make is above 250 pesetas, we're talking, they're going to send you for free a notebook with Spanish embroideries, Segovian style. So it's quite nice. It's really good. And it tells you all the things you can order. So I'll be keeping this, of course. So what you do is that you put it right sides together with your fabric, and then after sewing once, you turn it back out, and then you sew again, pressing first, so it's flat. But the only thing is that it's going to leave like a top stitching on the right side of the fabric, I guess. So I'll have to study it, but I think it's quite interesting. And of course, you can embellish something like a serviette, or maybe a tablecloth or bedding, or even sew it to hang a kitchen cloth, maybe? So of course I have to try this. So I have kitchen cloths, the newest I have. So let's decide which ones I can make like a hanging thing to hang them from. I really like the retro style ones. Oh, look at this one. Oh, for the brown one, this is ideal, isn't it? And then this one, of course, for the purple one. Oh, ideal. It's not the exact purple, but it's okay. Bang. Ideal. Well, I think this is ideal. This is one of those silly things that you haven't done because you forget. And now I think I'm going to be spending the whole night sewing kitchen clothes. I love it. It's really nice. It's ideal. Isn't it ideal? It's so lovely. I love it. So let me know down in the comments if you've used this kind of cotton tapes. And I think it will be really nice because it's almost like a bias tape, although it's flat, but for the interior of pouch bags and makeup bags or handbags, it will have been nice. I mean, I made a lining for my orange handbag, but look at this one. It will have been ideal. So let me know, and if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, and that way you don't miss anything. And I'll see you around. Bye.